Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some fruit platters. So let's jump right in and we'll begin. We're going to start off by cutting up some orange because I'm going to be laying this down flat for this platter. Let's start over here. You see that? Yeah. All right. I'm going to slice some more oranges and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've done my orange slices and now I'm going to slice up some kiwi and put them in between the orange slices. So I added our kiwi to the orange. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our figs, cut them in half, and we are going to go along the border of our orange. You can see what I'm doing. That one broke in half. Use that one right here. So we've now added our figs to the platter. And what's next? Okay, so we have our red plums. And what we're gonna do is, there's a giant pit inside this thing. So we can scoop that out. Now what we're gonna do is a little V-cut, another one. That's it. I'm gonna put this guy over here. And now let's start to fill in a little bit. So we'll leave this over here. I think over here, I'm just gonna throw some raspberries. And over here, we're just gonna put some strawberries, I think. Strawberry halves, I should say. I'm sorry, not all strawberries. Now we definitely need to do something to make this platter pop a little bit. It looks all right, but it doesn't have that extra like pizzazz that I always look for in my platters. So let's, so over here I have a dragon fruit. We're gonna do a series of V-cuts. Let's go. I've already taken off all the green leaves from this. If you haven't noticed, let's see, will this come apart? Maybe, not yet. Put one right here. And one right here, except for we gotta trim it down a little bit because it's way too big. Let's trim this down a little bit. This one over here. And what do you think? I think it just looks pretty decent. And I hope you've enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out some of my other videos. I have some pretty good videos out there. So thank you so much for watching, and be safe, everyone. Bye-bye.